The moment I realized that I had control over my thoughts and how I reacted to circumstances was transformative. I stopped seeing challenges as obstacles and started viewing them as opportunities for growth. This shift from a victim mentality to a growth mindset empowered me to take ownership of my life. Suddenly, failures no longer felt like dead ends, but rather stepping stones toward becoming a better version of myself. This one change unlocked doors to new possibilities and made me more resilient in the face of adversity. Another powerful shift was learning to focus on what I could control. Worrying about things beyond my influence drained my energy and left me feeling stuck. However, once I focused on my own actions, habits, and responses, things began to align. Each day became an opportunity to improve, no matter how small the step. This shift in perspective allowed me to approach life proactively rather than reactively, which improved my productivity and emotional well-being almost instantly. Finally, gratitude became a cornerstone of my new mindset. Instead of obsessing over what I lacked, I made it a daily habit to acknowledge what I already had. This simple practice rewired my mind, fostering a sense of abundance. It helped me attract more positivity, deepen relationships, and see beauty in everyday experiences. My life didn't change overnight, but the way I experienced life did immediately. The peace and clarity that came from this mindset shift have stayed with me, continuing to propel me toward new goals and personal growth.